Maintaining integrity in home remodeling sales is one of the keys to client satisfaction and growth of your business. And so we're going to talk about some ethical practices today to help you do just that. And so when we talk about ethical sales practices, what we're wanting to do is develop a framework of trust that protects your business from legal risks and promotes an internal culture that is positive, where you have high productivity, high employee morale, and then what that translates into is greater satisfaction on the part of your customers at the end of the day. And so, first thing that we want to look at is developing a code of ethics that every team member on your team needs to follow. And once you've done that, conduct regular training sessions to reinforce those ethical behaviors and also do some real life scenario handling to help your team know how to handle different challenges that are going to come up out in the field. And so you want to build trust through honest communication. And so communicating honestly with your clients sets clear expectations. It builds a foundation of trust that is essential for your projects to go successfully. And so you want to not use jargon filled language, insider language, keep things plain and simple. And then a couple of action steps for you. Utilize project management tools to provide your clients with real-time updates on the status of their project. And then schedule weekly meetings to discuss project progress and any concerns that they might have. Another issue in your sales practices is transparent pricing and quotations. And so transparent pricing is going to empower your customers, giving them a clear understanding of where their money's going to go. And what that's going to do is give just a greater sense of confidence in the transaction itself. Provide a detailed quote that itemizes costs for labor, materials, additional fees, and then have a question and answer session to address any client questions that they might have about your pricing structure. So your action steps, of course, create some itemized detailed quotes for every project. Offer a Q&A session after presenting the quote to address any concerns or questions that your customer has. Keep your sales techniques client-centered. By doing that, what it's going to do is make the client feel important, not like another number, not like a means to an end, but you want them to feel like they are a number one to you. And so conduct a detailed assessment during those initial meetings, tailor your proposals to the client to really help meet their specific needs and goals and wants out of the project. And so some things you're going to want to do is train your sales teams in active listening and needs assessment, develop personalized proposals that are based on the specific and unique needs and input that your client has given. If you have challenges, be sure and deal with those ethically. Dealing with challenges in an ethical way shows reliability. And so what you want to do is establish a clear protocol for addressing and resolving any project issues that come up. Encourage transparency and immediate communication whenever challenges arise. I think it's important to let your customer know how quickly they can expect to hear from you and how things are going to be handled. And then leverage technology for ethical sales. So utilize technology to your advantage. Use a CRM system to track every interaction you have with your customer. Establish a client portal that gives them access to documentation and updates. That way you have full transparency and you're going to enhance the trust level between you and your customer. So implement a CRM system if you don't already have one to track all of those customer interactions. Use client portals to give that real-time access to the project. Things of this nature are going to help you in the long run. And then, of course, it takes training and development to have an ethical sales culture. So you're going to want to continue to train on ethical sales practices. You're going to want to role play ethical dilemmas that may come up. Schedule regular ethics training with examples and role playing activities built in. And then create a reward system for employees who demonstrate exemplary ethical behavior. Being able to model is one of the keys to making that a part of your DNA. And here's what happens when you have ethical sales practices built into your business. It's going to help you not only, attract new clients, but retain the clients you have. They're going to be more likely to leave you positive reviews, to make referrals to friends, family, neighbors, coworkers, those types of things. So monitor client satisfaction and feedback to gauge the impact of your practices. Use positive client testimonials in your marketing materials to highlight your commitment to ethical standards. And just apply this in everything that you do. If you'll make integrity a key part of your operating procedure, what you're going to find is that the marketplace rewards that. So make it a priority, build it into your systems, build it into your practices, build it into your sales process. If we can help you with your marketing and getting your message out there to your ideal customer base, be sure and schedule a strategy session with us.